When building machine learning models, our primary goal is to teach them to understand patterns hidden within data. This process, known as model fitting, involves adjusting the model's parameters so its predictions align as closely as possible with the observed data points. Imagine we have a set of data points, and we want to find a curve that best represents their underlying relationship. The better our model fits the data, the more accurately it can make predictions on new, unseen information. However, simply fitting the data isn't enough. We need the right kind of fit. Let's consider a scenario called underfitting. This happens when our model is too simplistic to capture the underlying trend in the data. It might be a straight line trying to explain a complex curved relationship. An underfit model performs poorly not only on the data it was trained on, but also on any new data, because it failed to learn the fundamental patterns in the first place. It misses the key insights. On the opposite end is overfitting. This occurs when a model learns too much specific detail from the training data, including its random noise. Instead of capturing the general trend, an overfit model essentially memorizes the training examples, creating a highly complex and wiggly curve. While it might achieve nearly perfect performance on the training data, it fails miserably on new, unseen data. It has learned the noise, not the true signal, making it unreliable for future predictions. So, if underfitting is too simple and overfitting is too complex, what's the ideal scenario? We're looking for the just right model, one that captures the underlying patterns without memorizing the noise. This balanced model generalizes well, performing accurately on both training and new, unseen data. Finding the sweet spot of model complexity is crucial for building effective machine learning systems that can make robust predictions in the real world. To better understand model complexity, let's use polynomial regression as an example. Here, complexity is determined by the polynomial's degree. A first-degree polynomial, a straight line, is simple and often underfits nonlinear data. A third-degree polynomial offers more flexibility, capturing gentle curves. But a very high degree, like 15, makes the model extremely flexible, leading to an overfit curve that wiggles excessively to include every data point and its noise. How do we detect underfitting and overfitting? We split our data into a training set and a testing set. We train our model exclusively on the training data. Then, we evaluate its performance on the testing data, which the model has never seen. An underfit model performs poorly on both. An overfit model shows excellent performance on training, but significantly worse on the unseen test set, indicating it failed to generalize. This split is critical for reliable evaluation. Underfitting and overfitting are formally captured by the bias-variance tradeoff. Bias refers to simplifying assumptions made by a model. High bias leads to underfitting. The variance refers to the model's sensitivity to training data fluctuations. High variance leads to overfitting. Our goal is to find a model complexity that minimizes the total error, which combines bias squared, variance, and irreducible error. This sweet spot balances underfitting and overfitting. Now that we understand the problems, how can we prevent overfitting? One powerful technique is regularization. Regularization works by adding a penalty term to the model's loss function, discouraging overly complex patterns. This penalty typically increases with the magnitude of the model's coefficients, effectively shrinking them towards zero. By penalizing complexity, regularization nudges the model to prefer simpler, smoother curves, reducing its tendency to memorize noise and improving generalization. In summary, we've explored underfitting and overfitting. Underfitting means a model is too simple to capture true patterns. Overfitting means a model is too complex, memorizing noise instead of generalizing. Splitting data into training and testing sets is vital for detection. Techniques like regularization help control model complexity and prevent overfitting, leading to more robust and accurate predictions. Understanding this balance is fundamental to building reliable machine learning models. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more educational content.